Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the drive motor on your washer model. You might need to do this because your washer is not agitating properly or making loud noises. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a pair of needle nose pliers, putty knife, razor blade, a couple of zip ties, and you'll need a ratchet with a 3/8 socket. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer model. We've got a GE here, and keep in mind that our model might be a little bit different than yours, but the same techniques should still apply. Alright, now you're going to want to make sure that your water is turned off. So with the putty knife, push the metal tabs that hold the front of the washer on. We're going to pop that off, and we can just set this door to the side now. We're going to unplug all the wires from the motor here. And then taking our needle nose pliers, we're going to push in the sides of each of these anchors and pull them out. Okay, and pull that out, pull that out, pull these off to the side here. Now we'll take our 3/8 inch socket and remove the screws from underneath the motor. Now to get to the rear ones, we're going to want to remove the belt. We're just going to stick that in there and kind of pry it off a little bit, twist, and the belt will come right off. Just like that. Now to remove the motor, tilt it forward and lift. There we go. Now we'll take our OEM replacement motor and we'll set this back inside. If you don't have an OEM replacement, you can buy one from our online store. Line up all the holes, and there we go. You might have to wiggle it just a little bit to get the nut to stay on. You want to do the same thing on the other side with the other nut. And you raise that up right above that wheel. And now we can spin this one on, and now we can tighten those down. Now we'll grab the two for the front. We're going to take our belt and we're going to get that reattached. What we're going to do, we're going to put the belt inside here, just like that. And now we're going to secure the belt to the wheel with a zip tie. There we go. And we're going to put this all the way as close as we can to where the belt goes on this shaft right here. And you're going to want to make sure you put the belt on the right side, not the left side, because it won't work if you put it on the left side. So there we go. Now that it's on there nice and secure, so you make sure that the belt's nice and tight here, all the way around the wheel as far as you can go. And then start spinning it in a counterclockwise direction. Make sure that the belt doesn't fall off. We're just going to keep spinning it, just like that. And there it is. So now we'll take our razor knife and just cut that zip tie right off, because we don't need that anymore. Make sure that your belt is on there. You'll see metal on both sides, and your belt should go towards the middle, and you want to keep spinning it until you go all the way around and you make sure that the belt is nice and secure on the entire wheel. And once you do that, get out of there and put the front back on. Reattach these wires just like this. There we go. Plug these back in, just like this. That. And we can put this anchor back in here, just like that. Now we can replace the front panel. Just slide these little slots onto the tabs, right on the bottom there, and push it in. And now you can turn your water back on, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.